Ever thought about how some real-life animals look just like Pokémon? It's wild, right? Today, we're diving into 10 amazing creatures that could totally fit right into the Pokémon world. You're gonna love this. Starting off at number 10, we have the Axolotl. This little guy is like the cuttest amphibian ever, with a permanent smile that just melts your heart. They've got these funky external gills that let them breathe underwater, and get this, they can regrow limbs and even their hearts. In the wild, they remind us of Mudkip or Whooper, but honestly, they're way cuter in real life. Sadly, they're endangered, and scientists are still scratching their heads trying to figure out why. Next up, number 9 is the shoebill stork. This bird looks like it stepped right out of a dinosaur movie. With a massive beak that can snap shut with enough force to take down a crocodile, it's a bit intimidating. They just stand there, staring into your soul without even blinking. You might think it resembles Firo or Doduo, and trust me, it's just as wild. You can find them chilling near water in Africa, but if you spot one, don't forget to blink. At number 8, meet the blue dragon or Glaucus atlanticus if you want to get fancy. These little sea slugs are super small, but look like a piece of art floating in the Pacific Ocean. They've got bright blue wings that help them float while they hunt for food. When they find a meal, they sting it with their tentacles and swallow it whole. Seriously, they look just like Vaporeon or Dragapult and are just as cool. Coming in at number 7 is the glass frog. These tiny critters are pretty special with their green and brown speckles, but what really sets them apart is their transparent bellies. You can see all their organs, which is kinda creepy but also fascinating. They live in the jungles of South America and are super hard to spot. Their see-through bellies help them blend in while they hunt insects, kinda like Poliwag or Froakie, but way cuter in person. It's like they've mastered the art of invisibility. At number 6, we've got the a nocturnal lemur from Madagascar. With big ears and huge eyes, they look pretty quirky. But the coolest part, they have this long finger they use to fish for bugs. They tap on trees to find hidden bugs and then stick their fingers in to catch them. Some folks say they remind them of Mimikyu or Sableye. They're a bit creepy but also kind of adorable. Number 5 is the thorny devil, a spiky lizard from Australia. These little guys are covered in horns and use them to dig in the sand for termites. They've got a unique way of drinking water through their skin. How cool is that? They're built for survival in the harsh desert, and they kinda remind me of a mix between Gyarados and Tyranitar. At number 4, we have the pangolin. These mammals are covered in armor-like scales and can roll up into a tight ball when they feel threatened. Sadly, they're endangered due to poaching. In the wild, they look like a blend of Sandshrew and Togedemaru, and they're just as adorable. It's like having a real-life Pokémon right here on Earth. Number 3 is the Saiga antelope, and it's known for its super unique vacuum-shaped nose. Seriously, it looks kinda alien. This big mammal roams the mountains of Central Asia, munching on plants and shrubs. Even though it looks bulky, it can leap like a champ up to 2 meters high and 6 meters long. When winter hits and tongue drop, they're totally fine thanks to their thick fur. At number 2, we've got the leaf-tailed gecko, nature's camouflage expert. They can disappear into trees so quickly that it's like they vanish. With tails that look just like leaves, they balance on branches like pros. They also have special flaps of skin that help them glide. In the wild, they look just like a living leaf, and if you're not paying attention, you might miss them entirely. They're basically the real-world version of Kecleon. Finally, at number 1, we have the mantis shrimp. These little powerhouses punch faster than a speeding bullet, seriously. Their punches can reach speeds of 50 miles per hour, and they can see 16 different colors, while we can only see 3. They're super unique and totally remind me of Crabrawler, bright, flashy, and a bit deadly. And that's a wrap for today. Thanks for hanging out with me. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like and subscribe. Catch you next time for more fun Pokémon facts.